Welcome to another tutorial from Moho Simple Rig Flow, where animation meets clarity, creativity, and community.
What if I told you that you could design a clean, professional-looking character in under 5 minutes, without needing to draw a single line? Today, I'll walk you through a simple trick using free tools that gets the job done fast.
So I'm going to use this image here again, the same image. So I'm going to download this, click import, and import your image. We can select any of these, but for this tutorial, let's select the middle one here, this one. Okay, so go to path, press bitmap. Now we can see that we have got a clear bitmap. I mean, you can, if you want, you can use color, multicolor, you can use anything. So single scan is okay for us, and this setting is okay. So I'm going to press apply. If yours is, for example, the threshold is like this, just adjust the threshold from here until you get the perfect one, but try to avoid any black, for example, like this. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it slightly like this here, and I'm happy with that, and I click apply, and then I will move this one slightly the other side. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to use the paint bucket and paint inside here. You can see I'm gonna paint around, just paint, except when you reach to the trousers here, I suggest you put another box here, and then you can paint. We only need one leg, but we can still do the other leg as well. Okay, like this. Keep painting inside. We'll go back to the face, but first we need to do the rest of the body here. Okay, now bring back our image to select the color now. Now this one, it's gonna be this. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just to use the paint bucket to paint every part of the body which I have copied. Okay, we don't need this hand here because we are going to use the other hand here. Okay, when it comes to the head now, we can paint the head. Go back here. This is very careful here. Take another box here, put the box here, and just paint the head just like that. Okay, once you paint the head, so we have a head separate here, I'm going to remove the original image. This is the original image, and then now we need to paint the hairs. Okay, so get the box from here, do the highlight the path and different. Now we are left with this image here. Okay, so you can either do this and do this, or you can use the first which we used before, but I'm gonna delete the first one. Okay, now when we reach here, I'm going to double click this. Okay, let's double click this and then delete everything here. First, I'm going to reduce the stroke because the stroke is too much here. You can see. Now, I'm going to double click and then draw like this and delete every point. Okay. That means I got the face now. So even if I delete this original image and that, you can see that we do have, you can correct here if you want also by double click that and delete these points. Delete that one, don't worry about it. If you can't find it, just do something like this. Okay. Now change color of the shoe. Select this color. Okay, so this is extra, but I'm going to highlight all the image and then use like PT here, and let's do it number 4. Number 4 should be okay. Okay, 4 is too much. Let's go back to number, possible number 2.7. Yeah, 2.7 should be fine. Okay, highlight the face and let's do it 2.7 as well. PT 2.7. Okay, now this and this, I'm going to move it here. You don't need to do this, but let's do it. And highlight these two here, object, group, and Control D, and bring the hand, and then flip it to the other side, and then bring it all the way back. I'm going to do similar things here. I'm going to group these, and then Control D, and bring the shoe to the other side. Let's group the feet as well here. So this with this, let's group them. Object group. Let's group this and that. Okay, to make everything perfect. We will group the shirt as well. Object group, and hand we have already grouped them. Okay, we can still group hair and face. So object group, and then we can move them here. One things we didn't do, it was the neck. However, we can just do the neck from here now, just like that, and there we are. Okay, so you can see from here now we have a complete character here. Just bring everything something like here. Okay, so delete the rest of the things because we don't need them, as you can see from here. Now if you want to make sure that everything is in different layers, you can go to layer here, layer and object. You can see, okay, so first I'm going to highlight it. You can see now these are our groups. So for example, I can click here and say like maybe right shoe, enter. This one is the head, enter. This one is left shoe, enter. This one is right hand, enter. This one shirt, left hand, enter. Right foot, left foot. Okay, and this one, it's just the neck. So sometimes when you import into Moho, every layer is gonna be arranged like that, like head, left shoe, everything is being written based on what we have written from here. But sometimes Moho doesn't like it, and you can only see layers, layer 1, layer 23, layer 24. Okay, right, so we've got everything ready now. Now we select, make sure you select everything, and then go to Open Export. Make sure you're in selection mode. Click here to select where do you want your image to be. In my case, let's bring this to desktop, and I will right here go. Select plain SVG and save. Once you have done that, your image is already in your desktop. Now go to Moho, go to script. If you have already installed script, if you have not, watched my other video. At the end of this video there will be a link. Just click that link, okay? Or you can go back and click on a card on the top there. It will take you to the other video. Okay, select SVG import and browse girl is and open and okay. So you can see from here girl, and then these are our layers. Unfortunately, layers were not as we expect them, because we tried to write the names but they didn't. However, everything has been arranged based on the layers, as you can see from here. So this was the neck. This is, let me have a look. This is the right shoe, and hair, or we call it head. Oh, so this is the right shoe. The other one was the left shoe. Right hand. This is the shirt. Left, yeah, this is the left hand or left arm. Okay, right leg, left leg. Okay, and everything has been brought back here. If you go to head here, you can go here to fill, click head, and then you can go back and reduce the stroke. You can do the same with the hair, just reduce the stroke maybe to 3, and then you can just scale it to match the original. Okay, do the same with everything else. For example, like the shirt, reduce the stroke to 3, because I'm not sure why it came 24 or something. Okay, same with the hands, leave it number 3, or any number you like. 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so as these 3, 3. Okay, so that's it. You can see we have our full character without drawing anything. So I hope this video has explained more, and anything, just let me know. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. The link, as I said before, how to install script is at the end of this video. Just click the video and it will take you to that link.